article, so I decided that I would go ahead and share it. It's about sperm. So for years, scientists thought that sperm from humans, they watched it in the lab fertilize egg, and they were sure that it was, making sort of a waving motion. Well, it turns out that sperm is not, swimming like in a waving motion. It just appears that way. What's really going on is the tail end is spinning one way and the head is spinning another way, around and around. So there's a couple of articles around. It's the sperm's motion. So they used a 3D camera recording 55,000 frames a second, combined with a microscope that moves the sample up and down very fast, so it'll all come into focus. And basically, they showed a whip-like tail beats asymmetrically in that it only wiggles to one side. Alone, this would send the sperm swimming in circles, but the second aspect of the sperm movement, spinning about their long axis, ensures their travel forward. So, anyhow, human sperm cells were some of the first living cells to be seen under the microscope by Dutchman Antonie van Leeuwenhoek in 1677. I mean, if you're going to be looking under the microscope for something valuable or microscopic, why not look at the sperm, right? After sex with his wife, the scientists later described them as having a snake-like movement like eels in the water. And this view persisted until now. They broke the myth with modern photography. Anyway, if you look on your Apple News, if you have Apple News, there's more than one article on this subject in the health section. And thanks for watching. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. Maybe you can get out a microscope and a slow motion camera with good resolution. Take care.